Throughout history, the alien symbiote known as Venom has bonded with different Marvel characters. Some are stronger, some are weak. The alien costume first appeared in 1984 Secret War event. Ever since it landed on Earth, it has possessed Earth's mightiest heroes as well as villains. But what if this time, the alien parasite gets its hands on the most powerful criminal, the crime lord Kingpin, and hurts Spider-Man in a most brutal fight? Welcome to ComicsTube YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll review Marvel's 100th anniversary special Spider-Man edition. So, if you are new here, please subscribe and turn on all the notifications to never miss any future uploads. And also, please like, comment and share. All the text and images are owned by its respected company. You can support them by purchasing it digitally or from any offline stores. The issue starts to kick in as the Venom symbiote had fused with nanotechnology and it had been modified by Kingpin. A person wearing this techno-symbiote suit can remotely control every technological devices and its sources on the planet. Spider-Man wanted to destroy this suit so that no one can get their hands on it and misuse its power to achieve their own selfish goals. But Eddie Brock, the suit's former host, wanted the suit back for himself. After a stressful argument, they eventually agreed and proceeded to destroy the suit. But before they could reach out to the suit and destroy it, both Eddie and Peter knocked out and abducted by Kingpin. Later they both found themselves in the office of Wilson Fisk. But before they could even realize anything, Kingpin shot Eddie right in the chest. Eddie bled out to death right in Peter's arm. Peter screamed, "You killed Eddie, why?" Kingpin replied, "Don't you know anything about business, Mr. Parker? Rule number 1, eliminate the competition. I have paid a lot of money and time to create this suit, a symbiote fused with technology, allowing the host to control any machine on the planet. I was happy to have you and Eddie worked out all the suit's abilities during your fight, but as with any new software, you give it away for free for a while, but then, it's time to pay now." And right in front of Peter's eyes, Kingpin's body transformed into a gigantic humanoid form, which seemed both disturbing and horrifying. He looked up in absolute shock as he didn't immediately know how to react. But before Peter even reacted fast enough to stop him, Kingpin ended up whacking Peter across the face. The sheer impact of the strike was so powerful, which caused Peter flying out into the air and crashing right through the building as blood splitting from his body. His body got hit to a digital banner ad featuring his girlfriend Mary Jane. Before he falls from that building, he quickly maintained his balance by grabbing onto it. But all of a sudden, Kingpin's hologram started to come out from that banner. He went on to mock Peter that, as the symbiote suit has fused with nanotech, there isn't anywhere he can go or anything he can control, because everything is linked and connected digitally in this world. As Peter hung near the edge of that building, an electric spark came through that banner and hits him hard, which caused Peter to lose his grip and crash his body right on a car. He slowly stand up to his feet while his entire body was shaking. He asked a nearby passenger which way is the north. But as all vehicles in this world become automated, no one needed to drive their car by themselves. So the civilian replied, "He don't know." But right in that moment, Kingpin landed on the ground in front of Peter and showcased some of his ability. He snapped his finger and blew up every single car on the street. He grabbed Peter's leg with his tentacles and slammed him hard on the ground, splattering his blood everywhere. He then uppercut him right in the chest, caused Peter to flee into the air, crashing and sliding through the landscape. He managed to pull himself up and started to run desperately across the street, but as Kingpin can control every single electronic device on Earth, he charged all the vehicles at him. But luckily he managed to dodge all of his attacks and entered into the woods, where he makes a fire by rubbing two sticks together. The monster slowly showed up through the shadow, and Peter was ready to lay everything on the line to stop Kingpin. The two came face to face at each other. Lightning cracks, thunder rumbles through the woods as they launched themselves at each other, trading blows. The monster punched him hard in his gut, but Peter was not letting up by that punch. He moved quickly and shoved that torch into venomized Kingpin's face, which causes the techno-symbiote burn to death and set Kingpin free. Thus, the 100th anniversary Spider-Man edition comes to a close. Which part you like the most? Please comment down below. And also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.